Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am small poetess Shubhra Bhokte. So friends, the Brookville River is my imagination upon the famous Brookville Lake. Brookville Lake Dam is a dam in Brookville Township, Franklin County, Indiana, just north of Brookville in the southeastern part of the state. So I have made a small poem on the Brookville River. This river talks to us. I am the river of the Brookville Bridge. I flow from high mountains. I turn and twist. I slide on the soft sand, and I am born from the Almighty's magical wand. From the day I was born, I flowed quick and fast and will stay till last. I am the venue for the sedimentary school that seems very smooth and cool. The dew on my river reeds reflects in the sun's rays, and that's what all tend to praise. My clean water sparkles in the sunlight, and all are eager to have this blissful sight. My fishes and crabs, corals and weeds have a happy life to lead. I give life on earth, and that's why your birth is worth. I sway round and round, up and down, and my water makes a pleasant sound. My water is as sweet as a nectar and worth of diamonds and gems. My glaciers are as white as swan. People admire my beauty, mostly at dawn. The farmers carry my water to their fields for corn, wheat and rice, and my water has no price. My small, round, shiny, glamorous and beautiful pearls are loved by water-carrying girls. My pearl-forming oysters are much better than selfish humans who don't know humanity. The bright beams of the sun dance on my surface, and that's what my lovely children love to face. They run after the bright beams of the sun and have so much fun. To a fisherman, I am his mother as he lives on my existence. Slowly, slowly I meet the sea, and he asks me, "Miss River, what if you are me?" So friends, rivers are our life. They provide us with clean water and medicines and foods like fishes and crabs. Moreover, fields get water supply for crops and many more things. Hence, we should protect and care for rivers across the world and prevent throwing litter, garbage and chemical waste in it. Save rivers, save life. Make Mother Earth green by saving rivers and conducting afforestation programs. Spread awareness in the society. This poem teaches us about the kindness, selflessness, and generosity of the river and nature. Also, the miraculous description of the river and its beauty, charm, and glory. River cuts through rock not because of its power, because of its persistence. Rivers are important sources of water for households, industry, and agriculture. A river begins at a source and ends at a mouth, following a patch called a course. This course is divided into three main parts: upper course, middle course, and lower course. So friends, did you all like my small poem dedicated to the river and the nature? So now it's your turn to make a cute little dedicating poem. So now get started. If you like our video, share, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.